Okay, well, here's our little chicks. We've raised from hatchlings, ready to go out to our first customer. 12 of them here. Looks like 8 yellow white ones and 4 that are black or gray. Anyways, what do you think, kitties? They're like, oh, a nice little snack, they're thinking. But no, anyways, we decided to hatch them out. And they're ready to go to the next happy customer to lay some eggs for them. In about, I don't know, probably 18 to 20 weeks, they say. Oh, kitty. That's not for you.